the green, oh the green is the colour of the true. And we'll back it against the orange, and we'll raise it o'er the blue. For the colour of old Ireland alone should here be seen. 'Tis the colour of the martyred dead, our own immortal green. Then up for the green, boys, and up for the green. Though it's down in the dust, 'tis a shame to be seen. But we've hearts and we've hands, boys, full strong enough, I ween, to rescue and to raise again our own immortal green. They may say they have power, 'tis vain to oppose. 'Tis better to obey and live than surely die as foes. But we scorn all their threats, boys, whatever they may mean. For we trust in God above us, and we dearly love the green. Then up for the green, boys, and up for the green. Oh, to die is far better than be cursed as we have been. And we've hearts, oh, we've hearts, boys, full true enough, I ween, to rescue and to raise again our own immortal green. They may swear, as they often did, our wretchedness to cure. But we'll never trust John Bull again, nor let his lies allure. No, we won't, no, we won't, for now nor evermore. For we've hope upon the ocean, and we've trust upon the shore. Then up for the green, boys, and up for the green. Shout it back to the Sassenach, we'll never sell the green. For our tone is coming back, and with men enough, I ween, to rescue and avenge us and our own immortal green. The days when their reign we did disturb, at Limerick and Thurles, Blackwater and Benburb, and asked this proud Saxon if our blows he did enjoy. When we met him on the battlefield of France at Fontenoy. Then up for the green, boys, and up for the green. Though it's still in the dust, 'tis a shame to be seen. But we've hearts and we've hands, boys, full strong enough, I ween, to rescue and to raise again our own unsullied green. Then up for the green, boys, and up for the green. Though it's down in the dust, 'tis a shame to be seen. But we've hearts and we've hands, boys, full strong enough, I ween, to rescue and to raise again our own immortal green.